Hey, Supermom Squad. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Y'all, it's early. Hey, Supermom fam, we back. And we at the Carnival.
Yes.
Early. 6 to 8 is free, so we up early in the morning. Jaden. Say hey, Supermom fam. So Jayla is on this ride. Let me show y'all. Then bring your brother, Jay. Bring him close. Here, move him so that guy can get through. Jayla. Yeah, so. Ready?
Ready?
Ready to drive?
Ready to drive?
Go, Jayla! Woo! Go, Jayla!
She's on.
She flying, ain't she, Jay?
You better hold on.
Look at her face.
She's like, I don't like this.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna drop it. So Jalen on the bumper cars now. Jalen and Jaden with me, look. Go, Jalen! Go, Jalen! You stuck. Drive, turn the wheel. Turn your wheel. Turn the wheel, Jay. Turn the wheel. He can't drive, y'all. Jay. Turn that wheel. Y'all, the sun is shining so bright. I didn't even know they started the ride. Damn, he didn't even make sure they was in. He just said go. Y'all, I just rode that elephant ride over there with Jayla because Jalen was being a brat. Didn't want to ride with her.
And I didn't want a cord. Don't choke me.
Well, now you want me. Go, Jayla, go. Spin, baby. Spin. Spin. Spin.
I cut myself with
I still got to go to work today.
I cut myself with the gate.
Jayla, shut up. You so dramatic. Jaden, what? Jaden can't see. He like, come on, y'all. Jaden. Go, Jayla, go. Spinny, spin. Spin. Look, she gonna be so dizzy.
I'm saying Florence.
It's so horrible in the summertime being on a diet, y'all, but I'm being strong. I'm glad, oh, they opening up the food stuff now. Oh well, y'all, Jalen on this fast spinning ride, and these bugs keep touching me. I'm about to lose it. Low. He fly. That wind, baby. I don't want that wind to keep hitting you. There go Jalen in the Jalen. I see you. Look at Jalen. He got his face looking serious. My baby ain't looking away. Look. The kids ready to get up. Gotta wait for bruh. Where he at? He always to be the last one. Come here, Jayla. Come over here. There we go. Go, Jalen. Jalen, you dizzy? You dizzy?
My legs hurt.
You like that?
It felt like I was going to fly.
I seen your face. Go, Jayla. She flying the plane. Oh, these go up too. Woo, Jayla. Jayla. Y'all see that little ride behind me? I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me turn around so y'all can see it, but ain't no way in hell. Look at that. Look at that.
Wait, watch them drop. Let them watch them drop.
Hegs no. Jaden even like hegs no.
Let them watch drop.
Them bugs that you done kick your shoes off.
Let them
And kick this.
drop.
Hold on. What, boo boo? Go. Go, Jella. You out, girl. You out, girl.
Oh,
up here then, Jay. How you gonna leave him? Say how you gonna leave me? Say I'm the baby. How you gonna leave the baby? Y'all, I just found out the elephant ears is free, so we gotta walk back down there. We only got like 10 minutes left. Jalen acting like he too big to ride. Cause you don't want to ride anything. I tried to get him going that fast right over there. He acting all scary. Look, why did you pinch me? No, he lucky at the carnival.
I got suspended. I don't care.
Yeah, okay. Watch you whoop that butt.
I'm giving you a look.
Jelly, you about to be flying, son. Look at smile. Y'all ain't flying now. Woo, Jalen. She want to get on so bad. So we are leaving the carnival. Did y'all have fun?
Yes.
You did? Jaden? Jaden, like, I ain't get to do nothing. So headed to go get some gas because I'm on low fuel and I gotta go to work, y'all. It's early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So the time for the carnival was 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock and I got the ride for free. So that big old ride right there in the background. They ain't get on that. That's a little pirate shit. What? Okay, Jalen helping. But that's it. This is our little mini vlog. We just went to the carnival early in the morning. It's something fun to do with the kids because it was free. So they enjoyed themselves. I had a good time. It wasn't freezing. It wasn't too hot. So it was like perfect temperature. But that's it. Peace out, y'all. Say bye. Bye. Day 2 at the carnival, y'all. We back. Hey, to my fam. Jayla on. She met her friend at the carnival. She about to drive. Y'all, why I let Jalen convince me to get on this ride? Mama, what was I thinking? I was screaming. Jaden.
Hey, wait, let me tell them something.
What?
Mommy is a scared cat.
So, I sure am. Shoot.
She is.
Y'all, that ride was going so fast. We was up in the air.
Yeah, we were about to hit the tree.
Yep, and Jayla's Boutique website launched yesterday. So make sure you type in jayloveboutique.com and shop. What you about to say?
Mommy is a scared cat.
Whatever, we be back in a minute. Why don't I let Jalen convince me to get on this ride? Oh my God, Jalen.
I don't care.
Y'all been trying to kill me.
I do not care.
Trying to kill me.
Jayla, hi Jaden.
Woo! Y'all, why did I let Jalen convince me to get on this damn slide? Yo, I had to get on there with Jayla.
Trying to act like those slides.
I was so scared, man. I was shaking. You know, I walk up them steep steps and then we had to go down. It was fun. I was so scared, y'all. Then I got on this one ride that go fast and side to side. Jalen was smushing me. My arm was like going numb. Uh-oh, they done. You have fun? Want to do it again? Can they stay on? Go ahead, y'all can do it again. Jalen, sit your ass down. Yay! Yay!
Again, see, there is nothing on that side of the picture frame. There's nothing there that's... What?
You still eating that sucker?
Turn it around. Oh, yeah, turn it
Y'all,
around.
my mama is getting on this ride with Jalen.
Oh, you want it the other way?
Back her head.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. Good luck!
Turn around. That makes sense. Okay,
Oh, my
you
God.
guys are a little weird.
I'll show y'all when they take off. Oh, there they go, flying. Look at Granny. Let me see, J-Lo.
Jayla, show mom.
Pretty. Oh, Jayla, that's yours? Oh, wow. You got like... Here, look.
You got a sword.
You got 2 of them.
Okay, come on, y'all.
Wait, Jaden gotta get his.
You go.
Jaden, I have 3. Tell Granny stop rushing us. Y'all, Jayla done convinced me to get on the elephant ride. We about to go in the air. You ready? Yeah. Y'all want this kid ride? I'm scared. We about to be flying. We about to see that now. Y'all, why we start in the air? We flying, Jello! Look at us flying in the air. We high too. I can see the whole amusement park. Oh shit. Oh shit. Excuse my language. We're going back down, Jayla. Going back down. She like it. You like it? Yeah. We only got about 5 minutes left, y'all. This wristband. You ready to go up? Yeah. Okay, we about to go up right in a second. No, I'm scared. I'm scared of everything. I'm taking something in. So y'all, we on the last ride. So Jayla got the unicorn. Woo! You having fun? Lord, waiting on Jayla now. Woo! Then we gonna go to the tent and see the animals. We're gonna see animals. Oh, there they go. We right here. Look at them, y'all.
Look at him.
Y'all, we still here.
Let's go over to the giant. Look at him.
Jaden's so happy. Look at y'all.
He's just
Oh, you see the little farm animals? I'm gonna move them up.
Can we go to the llama? Can we go to the
Let me turn them sideways. Say move, Granny, so I can see them.
Hey, can we go to the llama? Can we go to the llama?
What llama?
Llama over there.
We got a llama on the other side.
Okay, watch.
Jayla, get over here.
Come on, let's go look at the llama. Come on, Jayla.
Jayla.
Jayla, come here.
Trying to get everybody. I gotta get them. They probably want a feed cup. How much are those? $1? Y'all, I'm ready to go. It's so hot. I'm ready to take a shower, relax, and watch my shows. They got a zombie show starting. We might go see that. So y'all, we in a car. That is it for us today. I'm so hot. I'm hungry. I'm irritated. I'm just burning up.
Yup, me too.
Hungry. Jayla is about to eat the sauce. Everybody hungry.
Jayla was acting like a rascal.
So I'm about to go find something to eat. And I'm still on my diet, guys. I can't ruin that. And then that's it for us today, y'all. Okay, Superman fan. I'm back. You don't know the amount of times I done said, bye, see you guys in another video. I done sit there about Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But we back. Jayla in the back looking. She can't wait to be on camera. Jalen over here on his tablet got them some Burger King chicken nuggets. And my little baby right there, my little JJ. So I'm about to go take them. I gotta get my lashes done. Y'all, I'm about to get some lash extensions. It's been a while, but I've been watching them and I said I'm gonna try it one more time, y'all. One more time. I done had 3 bad experiences, right? Because I'm a picker. So when it gets to the end, like when they start falling off, I just pick them all up and lashes bald. So I'm about to try this one more time, y'all. One more time. So we gonna see how this goes. So I'll be back in a second. Hey, so my family, to check back in. As you see, I got my lash extensions. My eyes was watering so much. But other than that, I'm here, y'all. I made it to the gym. I'm so sad I didn't get to make it to church today because of my appointment. But I will be next Sunday at church, faithfully. And I got my waist trainer on. I'm going to show y'all that when I get in the gym so y'all can see that. But I'm about to head in the gym now as soon as I finish my little protein drink. Got my corset on. I got my water. Now let's get ready to hit these exercises. Y'all pray for me. Hey, so my fam, I'm back from the gym. Oh my God, I'm so hot and sweaty. I just took my corset and stuff off. I have my corset and a little wrap thing on. Look at this. I had both of them on. Like I was getting squeezed. Oh my God. My arms hurt, my legs hurt. I'll be working out hard. Like so hard. I'm all hot and sweaty. So I'm about to go make me something to eat because I'm hungry now. And I'm about to chill and watch Working Moms. Like, that is my favorite show right now. So I'm about to just chill for the rest of the day. Got work tomorrow. Got some other things to do. I got some great news coming up, y'all. It's just everything great has been happening in my life. Like, I'm so happy. Glowing. So yeah, stay tuned. I can't wait to share this great news with y'all. But if you don't know already, make sure you shop Jayla's Boutique. So it's going to be jaylaboutique.com and get all your beauty needs. Love you guys. See you guys in another video. Peace out.